Hello and welcome. The Tesla Owners of New York State Club and the Fetzner Collision hosted an open house at the Fetzner Collision Center. We were allowed to freely roam through the facilities and see work in progress. This included the Cybertruck, Tesla sedans, Amazon trucks, and even a Rivian. Of course, there was a long line to get a demo ride in the Cybertruck. They offered free EV charging if needed, free cider and donuts. The Fetzner owners and workers were there to answer questions to help us learn about repair work and the insurance process. There were not many there at any single time, but there was a steady flow of visitors all day. Thank you, Owners Club and Fetzner's, for a great event.
So this actually has access to the full self-driving, so I'll show you that a little bit on the way back.
Now turn left onto
Basically, we'll be able to
now turn right onto Winchester
turn it
Street.
on and not
turn
have
left
to
onto
interact
Dewey
with the vehicle at all after that. Yep. Yeah, I can just sit back and
Now turn right onto McCall Road.
Pointing at you.
oh yeah, oh yeah. Every time we drive it,
Turn left onto Bernice Street.
I mean it's unique. There's nothing quite like it. So we'll just
Now
let it
turn
bring us
right
back
onto
to the
Dewey
shop.
Avenue.
So now the blue icon there is telling you this is where I
That's-
plan on going next.
Correct. That's the route that it's planning on taking. What I think I like the most about the steering with this, because this is all over. There's no direct connection between this and your and your tires. So it's all just by wire. I think the thing that I've noticed the most about this being such a big vehicle, the low speed maneuverability that you have with this thing is absolutely amazing. The rear wheels do turn a little bit, so it is four-wheel steering at low speeds. So it's definitely very noticeable at low speeds that the just the amount of control you have with this thing is absolutely amazing.